Hello everyone. I'm going to go ahead and show you how the prerequisites work for the registration. So I'm going to go ahead and click the OSHA 500. As you can see, all the information is here. Your course code, your language, your credits, your materials, and your fees. We also have your dates of availability, and there would normally be a map, but we don't have that set in stone here. We are in demonstration at this point, but in production, there would be a map. But for this purpose here, I'm going to go ahead and click Buy Now. And since I do not have a code, I need to fill the information out below. And one thing I want to note before moving forward, we do have the parameters set, so if something is missing or not filled out correctly, it's going to turn it out red and scroll to the top. So let's get started. I'll go ahead and fill out my information. Let's use, yeah, that's fine. Modify Technology Builders. And I am the owner. And for the course date, I'm just going to select one just to move through this. Red Rocks for the location. And what's nice about this is we have this integrated here, so I need to prove that that I qualify for this prereq. So let's go ahead and this would normally be your image of your certificate for the training for the 501, but I just got a JPEG. And my employer is Technology Builders again. And let's choose my email address. All right. Sorry about the wait. And so some of the things that are integrated in here is it's the flow of making this easy and and really utilizing somebody's time and effort to go through this and get all the proper information we need. So I'm just going to put in some information. Percent of this position is safety related. I'm going to say 100%. I have a degree from Red Rocks. And I don't, but let's go ahead and date graduated. Yeah, well, let's set it back a little bit. How about yesterday? Let's choose the, again, let's choose our information. I am a certified professional, safety professional. I'm going to choose again the file to tie to that. And I'm coming down the home stretch. And put today's date. And again, if I don't know what that one is, let's change this one here. RAINS. Let's go ahead and click submit. What did I miss? Oh, my company. So that would help. All right, let's try it again. So now that I submit the information, since this is in demo mode in a sandbox, this is what the individual registering for the course is going to see. Is just your submission for the 501. Below is a copy for our records, but you wouldn't see any of this information up here. Okay. Now that that has been filled out, let's go to the administrative side. Again, it's going to be CMS. The OTI is location.com, not demo. You would log in with your credentials. And I can walk you through this information a little bit later, but for now, what we really want to focus on is the student management side and the prereq submissions. So now that I am in the prereq submissions, we've done some testing, as you can see, they're all in pending. So this is where Jeanette Visconti from the Rocky Mountain Education Center she will go in either through here, or she will also receive an email to do the following: to approve with a discount, or deny it, based on the information that we have here. So we want to take a look at the certificate. Okay, that's a certificate. Okay, great. Let's take a look at this one down here. Yep, other certificate looks great. And let's go ahead and hit approve. So now what's going to happen is, if you notice, the course dip, it's gone. So she's approved it. My phone just went off. I received the email. Now let's go to my actual email and sync it and see if it came through. If it does not come through, I can forward the email that I have. That just came to my phone. My phone always comes in a little quicker than my actual email here. Okay. So let me hit refresh again one more time. And let's kind of jump back while we're waiting for the email to finish up here. So I kind of want to just walk you through this. We have our categories for the content management system. This framework makes it very easy for you to add your navigation titles and your pages and your page titles. Then within that, you have your pages specific to, this is all, of course, just dummy content or beta content. Then you have your courses. This is where you're going to build all your courses. You would just click add, fill out all the proper information, your location, and save and submit. But to really kind of go through this quickly, I'll just go to edit, and this is what it looks like. Real simple. You got your course dates. Course dates are exactly how it sounds. Here's the dates, and here's your date. One is, the reason there's a date 1, 2, and 3 is, let's say you have a split. So let's say your date 1 is from Monday and Tuesday from this time to this time from 8 to 5, and date 2 would be like a half day and then another full day. You got your locations, and you can set your registration seating. You can do as many seats, and is it a free course or is it a charge? We have it free right now because it's not tied into a merchant account. But obviously, if we're in production, there would be a merchant account, and all those funds would be allocated to the specific location. Course location, just like it says, here's your location. Modify it. Any attachments that are applicable. Your banners. What we recommend for banners is they stay the same site so that it stays specific to the design of the framework, and we have the dimensions for that. Useful links, I think we just have a bunch of Google links. You probably want, maybe a blog if you had a blog, but this has blogging in it, which is newsletters. But maybe the OSHA's website or something to that. Any of your promo codes, we don't have any at this moment, but you can create them pretty quickly. Your QR code templates, let's take a look at that. So this is your QR code template, different sides, so on and so forth. And your newsletter, this is very important when it comes to blogging and driving traffic. If you got a constant contacts, you can do a constant contact push. Take that constant contact and add it in here. And then you got your form builder. Here's your forms and your prereq forms. So let's take it. We can click at it now. Take a look. Oh, come on, still thinking. There it goes. So this is your form that you would fill out, and all the information you need to build a form. Okay. And let's see. Student management, student registration, we've went through that, but let's go for student registration just to kind of show you. So we got one individual enrolled, and here's your roster, and we can print it out or we can edit it. So the student information, that's that, and your users. Your users, obviously you create your permissions if it's an admin, a super user, or a staff member. So you can have multiple individuals managing this content management system based on what their login is. Your change your password and your log out. So that's pretty much that. So let me go ahead and jump into the email that I would receive from a student perspective. So when I open this up, yeah, I sent it from my phone. So this is what you would see. And then at that point, you can click to register for the course. And guess what? Here is your code because you've been approved. And that wraps it up for now. I can get into more detailed information on the actual content management system that handles the website and the course registration at a later date. But I wanted to show you the prerequisite and how it all works. It's really user-friendly, pretty straightforward. If you need any support or anything like that, obviously we're here. And I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day.